All right, here is another thing when it comes to specifying materials that you might not have thought about. Some materials are easier to clean than others. If you have ever swept a garage that's got a hard trowel finish, super easy to clean up. But if it's a really rough concrete, it's way harder. It's the same thing inside your house. We accidentally discovered that Huber Advantech Subfloor, the X Factor version, is extremely easy to clean because of the coating on it. Now, I have no data to support this, but personally I think when you have a clean, tidy, organized job site, it's more attractive to customers. They feel like you know what you're doing. And it also will hopefully translate to the other trades that are going to be coming in, them keeping things cleaner. The other nice thing is, I started out doing cleanup when I was a kid. If my son wants to continue and he's doing cleanup like me, then if I can make it just a little bit easier for him to be able to do cleanup, I think that's a win. When it comes to certain locations from the building science perspective, it's even more critical to keep it clean. So the joint at your bottom plate to your subfloor, we have a standard that we end up putting some sealant there. By making sure and being able to see that it's super clean, we get a better seal there, which helps with air sealing. Pretty cool.